Welcome to the Rowlinks tutorial. This is the main page of Rowlinks, where you can find information about the service we offer. You will be able to translate the website into your language on the top right side of the page, where you can select your language. To eat on the platform, you must register by clicking on the Try Demo button that will take you to the page to create an account. Once on the page, you must enter the required data. Make sure your email address is valid, as you will have to verify it with a confirmation email that will be sent to you. On the dashboard, you will find a notice to verify your email address. If you can't find it, check your spam folder, where you can click on the Resend Email button to resend the verification email. Then you can select the template you want to use. In this case, we will use the classic theme for the tutorial example. In the button that says Card Color, you can select the color you want to use in the template. The next step is to select the banner. You can find the dimensions of the banner according to the selected template. You can see the dimensions under the Upload Image button. In the Upload Image button, you can upload your banner, as you will see below. In the Logo button, you can upload the image or photo you want. The slug is very important that you put a word that describes your work, for example, your name or the name of your work. This will be in the URL. In the case of Rowlinks, is https://rowlinks.com Rowlinks. Then you must place a title according to the theme that will be displayed in the center of the banner card. The subtitle is a short description of the title. And finally, the description could be longer than the subtitle. It has no character limit, but it is recommended that it does not exceed 250 characters. In a future tutorial, we will see how to insert social networks and more.